Are you considering chiropractic care? Well, I'm Dr. Norris Goldberg, and I'm a NUCCA certified practitioner, and I want to share 5 things you should know about NUCCA chiropractic care. It may be a great choice for you. So the first thing is I'm a NUCCA certified practitioner. I'm level 2 certified, and I'm working towards becoming a board certified NUCCA practitioner. And what that means is, as a chiropractor, I have a big focus on the upper 2 vertebrae of the neck, C1, the atlas bone, and C2, axis. Okay, and these 2 bones have a wide-spreading effect on the body because their alignment affects the alignment of the rest of the spine, and it affects the function of the nervous system, and therefore really the function of the entire body. Okay, so what I want to do is share 5 things that I think are really important to understand when you're looking to find, 1, a chiropractor, but 2, potentially a NUCCA chiropractor. The first is, again, as NUCCA, we're focusing on the top of the spine. However, this can affect the whole spine. When someone's head shifts off of balance, whether it's something like this or off to the side, essentially your body's going to compensate, just like you can see there. When I push my neck to the side, my shoulders get unbalanced. Well, I'm not going to walk around like this for very long. Eventually my hips try to level out, but now I've got all kinds of twists and contortions going throughout the spine. And when we do a NUCCA adjustment, what we can see right away when we stand people back up again and measure their posture is that things dramatically improve almost instantaneously, okay? The next thing you have to understand about the NUCCA adjustment is that it's very precise and gentle, okay? A NUCCA adjustment is a low force, low velocity adjustment, meaning we're not twisting and cracking your neck. We're using a very precise angle and a very precise pressure applied at the right time when you're only out of alignment. And that's what really gets the great results and ultimately allows us to adjust you less and less over time. 3, NUCCA helps with a lot more than just neck pain or back pain. In fact, because we have an effect on the entire nervous system, we see changes in things like headaches, migraine, numbness and tingling, vertigo, insomnia, even things like hormonal imbalance, okay? So if you're struggling with some of these issues, you've tried all the things, or you're just sick of taking drugs, or you're trying to do something other than surgery, then you should really consider NUCCA chiropractic care because it has gotten me great results with my patients. Number 4, an individualized treatment plan. So the thing is, with some chiropractic care, you just come, they adjust you, and then you come back a week later and they see what you need to adjust next, because there's always something to move in the spine. With NUCCA, because we're focusing on one area of the spine, and I'll be honest, I do take care of other areas of the spine. However, with NUCCA, what we find is when you start holding your adjustments, meaning your spine is becoming stronger and more stable, then you don't need to come in as often, and you can still see the great long-lasting results. And so oftentimes when people come in, maybe they come once or twice the first few weeks, and then eventually we start spacing those visits out more and more. I'm proud to say that I have patients holding for several months at a time, actually even several patients who are holding 2+ years at a time. So as a young NUCCA practitioner, again, I'm working towards board certification. I'm sure that'll be more and more commonplace in terms of patients holding for months and years. But right now, 7 to 12 months is the average, and I'm pretty proud of that. I think that's pretty amazing results. Number 5. The results do take time. Sometimes people feel instantaneous changes. Maybe we adjust them and their dizziness starts to get better right away, or they get out of a little bit of a vertigo spell, or maybe their neck starts moving easier and there's less pain in it. However, sometimes I say, expect the results to kind of be like a slow burn. Things will change over time as we've gotten you into alignment, which happens pretty quickly, almost instantaneously once we do the adjustment. Then it's really about letting your body restore the function that it is supposed to have and allow the body to heal itself, right? Because that's really what our body is designed to do, is to be healthy, right? And it has no intent to not be healthy if you let it be healthy. However, sometimes when you interfere with that process, like having a kink in your neck that's putting pressure on your nerves and altering things like blood flow in your body's just simply not going to function to the best of its ability. When we get things into alignment, when we restore function and optimize your health, that's when you usually feel your best. So if you guys are thinking about chiropractic, and especially if you're thinking about upper cervical chiropractic care, I would strongly encourage you to consider NUCCA chiropractic care. And of course, if you're in the Boulder and Denver metro area, or potentially even further, I would love to help you out here at Koru Chiropractic. Have a great day.